Welcome to my channel, where we dive deep into the world of law. Whether you're a law student, bar reviewee, legal practitioner, or just someone looking to better understand the law, you're in the right place. Remember, ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest legal insights.
In today's legal deep dive, we examine People versus Sapla, a landmark case that highlights the boundaries of warrantless searches under Philippine law. Jerry Sapla faced charges for transporting nearly 4 kilograms of marijuana, in violation of the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002. His arrest followed an anonymous tip received via text message that described a man transporting drugs in a jeepney. Acting on this tip, police set up a checkpoint, identified Sapla based on the description provided, and conducted a warrantless search of his belongings. The discovery of marijuana led to his conviction by the regional trial court, a decision later upheld by the Court of Appeals. The case raised 3 critical legal questions. Was the warrantless search and seizure conducted by the police valid? Does an anonymous text message provide sufficient probable cause to justify such a search? Can the marijuana found in the search be used as evidence against Sapla? The Supreme Court ruled that the search was not a valid warrantless search of a moving vehicle. Typically, a warrantless search of a moving vehicle is justified if there's probable cause to believe that it is being used to transport contraband. However, in this case, the target was not the vehicle itself, but a specific individual based on a vague description. The court clarified that a proper search of a moving vehicle involves the vehicle being the primary focus, not just a person within it. Since the police specifically targeted Sapla and his belongings, the search could not be classified as a search of a moving vehicle, making it unlawful. The court emphasized that an anonymous tip, by itself, does not establish probable cause. The information received through the text message was not verified or corroborated by any independent investigation or observation by the police officers. The court highlighted that law enforcement cannot rely solely on unsubstantiated tips, especially from anonymous sources, to justify an intrusive search. The officers' actions in this case were based purely on hearsay, which does not meet the legal standard for probable cause. The ruling reinforced that probable cause must be grounded in reliable, concrete facts or circumstances known personally to the officers, rather than on unverified information from a third party. Given that the search was deemed unlawful, the marijuana seized during the search was ruled inadmissible as evidence under the exclusionary rule. The Philippine Constitution protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, and any evidence obtained in violation of this right is considered fruit of the poisonous tree. The court concluded that since the marijuana was obtained through an illegal search, it could not be used to support Sapla's conviction. With the key evidence rendered inadmissible, there was no legal basis for Sapla's conviction, leading to his acquittal. The Supreme Court's decision in People versus Sapla is a powerful reaffirmation of constitutional protections against unlawful searches. It sets a crucial precedent, reminding law enforcement and the judiciary that the integrity of the legal process must be preserved, even in the pursuit of justice. For law students, bar examinees, and legal practitioners, this case is an essential study in understanding the delicate balance between law enforcement powers and individual rights.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, stay tuned for the upcoming content. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more in store that you won't want to miss. See you in the next one.